Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to Tech and Space channel. So guys, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then subscribe Tech Space YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you will get our videos as well as soon. So do not forget to press the bell icon, so it will be good for you that you will receive our videos very soon as they are uploaded. So guys, let's start today video. So our topic is today about the such a website of Pakistan which is providing you free of cost courses, which is I think very grateful to every student and women's, because these courses are specially for women's, but the boys can also join them. So today is the last date of apply, you can say, and admission. So let's see how can you take admission at that site and what is the name of that site. Let's go to our Google, and here is our Google. Let's open it and let's type. Okay, so here is our, it is a Digi skills website. Okay, it's a Pakistani website and is a Digi skill website. Okay, so I have already enrolled in this website. So let's see how can you enroll in this website and which kind of things they are provided. So there are a lot of information are there, so you can see digiskills.pk Sara Jahan Hamara. Okay, so this is the full name of this website. So it is taking time for loading because I think my net is slow. So let's see. Here is a lady which is saying, hi, I am a Sikli. Okay, so Sikli is here to guide us, and it is loading. Just wait for it to load a complete. So let me join it again. So yes, we have joined it again. So I think at this time it will be open. So here is option, let's see, home, courses, event, how to work, blog. Okay, so first of all let's read about it. It is about Digi skills. So let's read about it. Digi Skill, the largest training program in Pakistan, best free online courses in freelancing with e-certificate issued by VIU and Ingent. Over 3 million training have been imparted since 2018 to generate skills, work in the future of work to stand digital economy of Pakistan. Okay, so this website is from the 2018 and they are providing you how should you join. These are the questions and the course which are offered: freelancing, designing and digital marketing, video editing, animation and communication and soft skills, and SEO searching. Okay, WordPress. These are the courses which they are providing. Virtual assistant. So the maybe there are the more courses, but I have enrolled. So let's see how's my account. So okay, so I want to see my account. I don't know why this is not opening. So they are, I think, let me do sign up. They are not accepting this, I don't know, but I am signed this yesterday, but I don't know why they are not opening. So these are the courses and you can join it from the first week of every month. So you can easily join this, and it is very good website. I have seen this. So guys, this is the website which is available here. So I hope you have enjoyed our video. So if you have enjoyed our video, then subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so you will get our videos as well as soon. So we will be meet in next video. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.